Myself Adipati from Become Business Analytics in first year. Today topic Guys are not here, written by Rustin Bond. Rustin Bond 1934 was born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh, India, but grew up in Gujarat, Dehradun, Shimla. He's written for about 40 years, writing by short stories, novels, essays, and more than 30 books for children. He's also published three elections of short stories. First one, The Night Train at Dinoli, Time Stop at Shimla, Our Peace Still Going, Dinra. He's also published first novel The Room on the Road, only for 17 years, numerical prize in 1957. Rustin Bond was awarded for Sahitya Akademi Award in India. In 1992, our trees still growing. Thank you for giving opportunity.